In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and lock layers in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. Layers are a powerful way to organize complex diagrams, keep work in progress separate from final content, and control exactly what your teammates see and edit. Let's walk through it step by step so you can work faster and avoid accidental changes. Start by opening Confluence or Jira and creating a new page or opening an existing one where you want to work with a diagram. Add or edit your draw.io diagram so you're in the editor. Everything we're about to do happens inside the draw.io interface. To manage layers, open the layers dialog. You can do this from the menu by choosing view and then layers. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts, press Ctrl plus Shift plus L on Windows or Command plus Shift plus L on a Mac. The layers panel lists all layers in your diagram and gives you quick controls for visibility and locking. To hide a layer, find it in the list and click the blue checkbox next to its name to uncheck it. As soon as you do, every shape on that layer becomes invisible on the canvas. This is perfect when you want to focus on a specific part of your diagram or temporarily remove sensitive sections before sharing your screen. When you're ready to bring those elements back, click the empty checkbox again to make the layer visible. Remember, hiding a layer doesn't delete anything. It simply toggles what's shown. To lock a layer, locate the lock icon next to the layer's checkbox and click it. You'll see a locked indicator, and from that point on, you won't be able to move or edit any shapes on that layer. This is great for keeping backgrounds, grids, or approved content fixed while you iterate on other parts. If you need to make changes later, click the lock icon again to unlock it. Lock status is independent of visibility, so you can keep a layer visible and still protect it from edits. There are a few helpful special cases. If you only need to lock specific shapes rather than an entire layer, select those shapes and use the shortcut Ctrl plus L on Windows or CMD plus L on a Mac, or use the lock or unlock option from the menu. If you want finer control, like locking just the text or just the position of shapes, select them, open the Format panel from the View menu, and in the Style tab under Properties, toggle the movable or editable options. Finally, if you're viewing a diagram on a Confluence page and don't see the editor toolbar, you're in the Simple Viewer. Edit the page, open the draw.io macro settings, choose which layers should be displayed, and then save. That's it. With the layers dialog, quick visibility toggles, and locking tools, you'll keep your diagrams clean, controlled, and collaboration ready.